Tailgate Talk fans. Today's video is going to be about this 2-inch leveling kit that goes on. This will fit my 2005 Toyota Tundra. It's a 2-wheel drive, and this is the DynoFit 2-inch. So I'm going to get going on that and kind of show you before and after and any kind of problems I ran into. But hey, be sure to check out these other 2 videos I've got going. This is a DC Sports tailpipe extension, and just looking to kind of dress up the old rusty ratchet looking tailpipe, and maybe this will make it sound a little throatier, you know, like a woman who's been smoking all her life and talking. And then the other one is just a fix. I've got this tailgate latch, and my original broke, so I'm going to replace that. And hey, you can't do tailgate talk with a broken tailgate now, can you? So let's get going on the DynoFit 2-inch lift. So this is the before shot of putting the 2-inch spacers on the front of the 2005 Toyota Tundra. So let's go in a little closer here and just really measure out our space. Easy enough to do that. Make a fist, and yeah, just a tiny bit of space there. And so as I've read, 2 inch is going to give us about 1.5 inch lift in the front. So there you have it. Let me get going, and then we'll check in on some progress. So this video is not about how to install the premium leveling kit by DynoFit. This is just simply to show you the quality of it and how it looks after I install it. And there's plenty of other videos about how to do it. It does come with some instructions, albeit written instructions. I'm not sure anyone below the age of 50 can follow written instructions these days. So let's dig in a little bit deeper. There's one set of bolts. The second set of bolts. Dig in here, and forgive me, I'm using one hand right now. Oh yeah, that looks really nice. Powder coated aluminum. Feels heavy duty. Well packaged. No problems there. Looks like it's ready to go on. So hey, I'm going to get busy, and then I'll show you the after. And again, I'm not going to show you the how. You can look that up for yourself, and it's going to be different for every vehicle. But I think showing this on the Toyota will also apply to, as you can see, they make them for Chevy, GMC, Ford, Dodge, Toyota, and Nissan. And this is a 2-inch leveling kit. Well, there you have it, Tailgate Talk fans. There is the 2005 Tundra with a DynoFit 2-inch leveling kit on the front. I think it turned out pretty nice there. It looks level to me. Hey, let's take a closer look though. Remember in the prior clip, I had about a fist I could get in here. Now easily 1.5 inches. Hey, that's not scientific, but yeah, I'd say it's about 1.5 inch lift. And let's have a look at the spacer here. Again, 2-inch spacer, DynoFit. Link to that below if you want to check that out and get some more details on that. And so if you have a toolkit from, you know, Dollar Tree with picture hangers in it, this maybe is not the project for you. But if you've got a set of impact wrenches, jacks, and metric tools, hey, you can totally do this in 3 hours, maybe less, probably faster than me. And so that's about it. Hope you enjoyed it, and a comment below, and like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time on the Tailgate. Y'all take care.